House hunting can be exciting, but it's easy to make mistakes that can cost you time, money, and peace of mind. If you're looking for a new home, here are a few key things to avoid so you can make a smart move. First, don't rush the process. It's tempting to jump on the first house that looks perfect, but take your time to explore different neighborhoods and compare prices. A little patience can help you find a home that truly fits your lifestyle and budget. Second, avoid skipping the inspection. Even if a home looks flawless, there could be hidden issues like plumbing leaks, roof damage, or electrical problems. A professional inspection gives you peace of mind and can save you from expensive surprises later. Next, don't forget to check the neighborhood. Visit at different times of day, talk to locals, and look into things like schools, commute times, and safety. The right home in the wrong area can quickly become the wrong decision. Also, stay realistic about your budget. Don't stretch your finances just because you fell in love with a house. Remember to factor in taxes, utilities, and maintenance costs. Finally, don't let emotions drive your decisions. It's okay to love a home, but make sure your choice is based on facts and priorities, not pressure or excitement. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.